Hi, I'm Jack from Crimson Trace. Today we're excited to talk about the new CMR 301 Railmaster Pro, laser and light combo, new from Crimson Trace. It is a 1000 lumen white light with an integrated green laser sight, and it's optimized for the AR platform. So this video we're going to talk about how to mount and install the unit onto your firearm. But before we do that, let's talk about what you're going to find inside the case. So this is what you're going to see in the storefront, a bright red Crimson Trace packaging available online and in physical retail spaces. Inside the box, you're going to get the CMR 301 unit itself, the included battery, which we're very excited to announce. We built a USB-C charging port into the side of the battery itself. So you plug this in with the included charging port just like you would with your phone at nighttime. And this allows you to remove the battery without removing the unit itself or having to plug the unit in to your wall charger while it's attached to the firearm. We also include a remote Picatinny attachment switch to activate the unit. Of course, we have mounting hardware for M-LOK and Picatinny rail sections. They include long and short mounting hardware for each, and then the included T-screws will come pre-mounted to the Picatinny rail adapter. We have an Allen wrench for attachment, 2 cleaning utensils for the laser sight unit, instructions, a sticker, and all of that will fit inside the accessories packaging inside the box. So with that, let's get started first with the mounting of the Picatinny rail. All right, so let's talk about mounting the unit to the Picatinny rail section. For this portion, you'll need the 301 unit itself, the battery, the Picatinny mounting hardware, which includes 2 T-nuts and 2 screws, the Allen key, and then if you decide to use it, the remote switch. First thing you'll want to do is you'll want to grab the mounting hardware for the Picatinny rail sections. You'll notice that on it, it has an arrow with the word muzzle on it. That's the direction you need to have the hardware pointed. You'll want to take your 2 T-nuts, which will come pre-mounted into the Picatinny mounting hardware, and make sure that those are properly inserted into the hardware itself. You'll notice that the pointy end of the nut needs to go in first. Once you have the T-nuts inside the hardware, you can then snap this section onto your Picatinny rail section. Making sure that we keep the arrow pointed with the direction of the muzzle, it just snaps into place like so for a secure fit. From here, you'll take the CMR 301 unit, and at this point we might as well install the battery. You do so by unscrewing the light on the unit itself, taking the battery and making sure you put it in positive end first. So then we'll take it and we'll attach it to the hardware on the unit itself. That fits securely like so. We'll take our 2 screws, insert them into the holes on the unit, and we'll use our Allen wrench to tighten those down. Hand tight is good enough for this unit. We'll give it a good old shake, and it's securely attached to the unit itself. From here, we can attach the remote switch to activate the unit. On the back of the unit itself, there is a little opening that you can use to take the unit. You insert it into the opening, push it all the way in, and then twist it to lock it into place. Give it a little tug to make sure that it doesn't remove. And then you take the remote switch section itself, and just like the Picatinny, you just snap that onto the rail section in your desired location. From here, we'll turn on the toggle to make sure that the unit does turn on with the remote switch. It does, and now you're all set. After this, we're going to show you guys how to mount with the M-LOK sections, and then we'll have some following videos talking about optimal placement for the 301 unit.